Good morning, students. Today we are here to discuss chapter number 10 is, am, are with you. So let us see where can we use is, am and are. So first of all we will see use of is, am and are. I is always used with am. Okay? He, she and it are always used with is, and we, you and they are always used with the are. So these three things you have to remember, that I always uses am, he, she, it always use is, we, are, they, we, you and they are uses are. Okay? Now let us see use of is, and let us see some examples. Is used for singular person, animal or thing. Okay? So it should be singular. It should be single or singular noun. So it is used with it, he, she, this and that, etc. Now this and that are also used for singular nouns. This is used when we are talking about a singular noun, when it is near us, and that is used when we want to talk about those nouns that are far away from us. So the is used with singular noun. So is used with he, she and it. That means singular nouns. Now let us see some examples of he, she and it used with is. So see here in the picture also it is shown for a single person, whether the person is male or female, single animal, a single place and single thing. So is always used with singular nouns. For example, this is my book. That means we are talking about only one book. He is my friend. Now he is my friend. I have already taught that he is used for singular male person. So whenever singular person, place, animal or thing will come, we will always use is. So he is my friend. Number 3, she is a doctor. Is used for singular female person. Number 4, that is my dog. Okay, the person is pointing towards the dog and there is only one dog, that is singular noun is there and it is far away. That is why we have used is and that. Number 5, it is a rainy day. So how is the day? It is rainy day. We are talking about only one day, and today what is the condition of the day? So it is rainy day. So it is a rainy day. Ramesh is a painter. We are talking about only singular male person. So Ramesh is singular noun. So we will use is with it. Now let us see few more examples. Roshan is a boy. Now we have used is. Why? Because Roshan is singular male person. He is playing cricket. Whether we use proper noun or pronoun, for singular nouns we will always use is. Apurva is a girl. See, is used with Apurva. Why? Because Apurva is a singular female person. She is painting. Now she is the pronoun for Apurva. Okay, she is used for female singular noun. So she is painting. Now next example is it is a wonderful day. We are talking about only one day. So it is a wonderful day. When to use am? Now let us see where we can use am. We use am only with I. Okay, I is the best friend of am and it never leaves am and go with others. So I and am are always best friends. So always remember, students, that whenever I will be used, am will be will be over there. Okay, I cannot use with other things, that is or are. I is always used with am. And when we want to talk about ourselves, when we want to tell about ourselves, then we use I am. Okay, now I always uses am. So I am a boy, I am 6 years old, I am hungry. So here a person is telling about himself or herself. Few more examples of am are: I am Roshita, I am a girl, I am 17 years old, and I am happy. Now this girl is talking about herself, telling her name and all the introductions she is telling. That is why she is using I with am. I is always used to tell about yourself, and I always uses am. So I am Roshita, I am a girl, I am 17 years old, I am happy. Next, when do we use plural are? Are is used for plural nouns. Okay, plural nouns, all those nouns which talk about more than one person, place, animal or thing. For example, they, we, etc. We use are with you also. Okay, so where do we use are? With you also. Now you can be for singular noun also and for plural noun also, but you always uses are. For example, see over here, it is written we, they and are. We and they are used for are, with are, and they are used when are is used when we want to talk about more than one person, more than one place, more than one thing. Okay, so see, plural are is used for more than one noun. Let us see some examples. They are going to Delhi. Now, there are some people who are, there is a group of people who are going to Delhi. So, there is more than one person. That is why are is used. You are a beautiful girl. Now, I have already told you that you is used for singular noun as well as plural noun, but you always uses are. So you are a beautiful girl. Number 3, we are watching a movie. Now we is used for those nouns, for those group, for that group where I am including myself or I am included in that group, then only I will use we, and we is used for more than one person, so are, A-R-E, are. Number 4, Ram and Mohan are brothers. Now Ram and Mohan, there are two brothers, that means it is plural noun. So with plural noun we always use are. Number 5, these mangoes are very sweet. Now here we are talking about more than one mango and telling that they are very sweet. So when we talk about more than one person, animal or thing, it is always are is always used with them. Now students, in your book on page number 38, is, am and are is given as a chapter. Let us read it. Am is are. These are used with action words. We use am with I. See, I have already told you. Example is I am a singer. I am a boy. We use is with he, she, it. We use is with he, she, it. For example, he is a poet, she is a chef. It is very cold today. We use are with you, we, they. Okay, for example, you are my cousin, you are siblings, they are our relatives, you is my friend. Is right or wrong? You have to tell now. You is my friend is right or wrong? So you always uses are, but here is written, so it is wrong. So we will tick the wrong box. Now students, we will discuss some questions related to is, am and are. Question number A. Use am, is or are to complete each sentence. Number 1 is done for you. I dash fond of books. Now whenever a person talks about himself or herself, he or she uses I, and I always goes with am. So I am fond of books. Number 2. They dash my father and mother. Now they is always used for plural nouns, and with plural noun we always use are. And since we are not included in the group of father and mother, so we will use they. They are my father and mother. Number 3. He dash good at mathematics. Now we are talking about only single person, single male person. So is. For singular nouns we use is. Number 4. You dash my friend. Now here a person is talking about only a single person, but I have already told you, although whenever you is used with singular nouns, are is always used with you. So you are my best friend. Number 5. We dash in the same class. We is used for more than one person. So ARER. We are in the same class, and we is always used in that group where we are included. Number 6. She dash a beautiful girl. Now she is used for singular female person. So we will always use is. She is a beautiful girl. Now, number 7. It dash my English book. It is my English book, because I have told you that whether we talk about singular person, animal, place or thing, we always use is. Number 8. I dash too young to work. I am too young to work. I always uses am. Now students, let us see on page number 39. It is written, words that indicate one take is, and words that indicate many take are. I have already told you that is used with singular nouns, are is always used with plural nouns. For example, number 1. A cow is a domestic animal. A house is a basic need for human beings. Elephants. Now here we are talking about more than one elephant. So elephants are used to carry heavy loads. Number 4. Mountains are beautiful to look at. Two naming words or two words that replace them take are. Usha and Tara are best friends. So here we are talking about more than one person, so we will use are. You and I are fond of each other. Now you means we are talking about another person, and I means I am also included in it. So there is more than one person, so we will use are. Number 3. My friend and I are classmates. Now here my friend is also included that group, as well as I am also included. So there is more than one person, that means plural nouns. So for plural nouns we use are. My friend and I are classmates. Now students, let us do question number B in your book. It is told tick the correct sentences. You have to read the sentence and then you have to tick this box whether it is correct or not. Number 1. A cow is an animal. Okay, this is correct. Why? Because about only one about cow or cow is written, that means singular noun we are talking about. So we will use is. Elephant are big animals. Elephant is singular noun. When we will add s, then it will become plural noun. No. So for a singular noun we use is, but here are is used. Elephant are big animals, so this is wrong, so you will cross this box. Number 3. Mountains is small. Mountains, more than one mountain we are talking about, but is used, so this statement is also Wrong. Number 4. A house is a place to live in. Yes, this is correct because we are talking about a single house where we live. So, is. This is correct. A house is a place to live. Number 5. Usha and Tara are the names of girls. Now, Usha and Tara, there are more than one person. So, plural nouns. That is why we are using are. So, this is also correct sentence. Number 6. You and I are classmates. Yes, this is correct. Why? Because you, I am talking about another person, and I means I am talking about myself. So, on whole, there is more than one person. That means plural noun is there. So, for plural noun, we always use are. So, this is also correct. You will tick this box. Now, so students, now we will discuss questions related to is, am or are, that is they are helping words. Now number 1, we dash friends. We dash friends. Now students, I have already told you that we is used for plural noun. Okay, and when is we used? When we are included in that group. So the we is used for plural noun, and for plural nouns we always use are. So ARER. We are friends. Number 2, I dash playing saucer. Now students, with I, what I have taught you, with I we always use am. So I am playing saucer. I am playing saucer. Number 3, they dash Koreans. Now we are talking about more than one person, and we are not included in that group. That is why they is written. And for plural nouns we always use are. So they are Koreans. ARER. Number 4, he dash tall. Now he is used for singular male person. So for singular noun we use he is. Okay, he is tall. I dash at home. Now when you want to talk about yourself, okay, you always use I. So with I we always use am. I am at home now. Number 6, she dash an English teacher. She is an English teacher. Why is? Because she is singular noun. She is used for singular female person. So for singular nouns we use is. She is an English teacher. So students, today we have talked about helping verbs or words, that is, am and are. Hope you have understood it very well, and you will practice the questions very nicely. Thank you and have a good day. Bye bye.